Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, in previous session we did simple addition and subtraction of decimals. So in this session we will do some word problems based on addition of decimals. Okay, I'll take all the sums one by one. I'm giving you hint how to do. Listen it very carefully and do it yourself. So first statement is Rashid spent rupees 35 and 75 paise for maths book and rupees 32 and 60 paise for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So it is clear from the statement. So how you will write money spent for maths book, this, money spent for science book, this. So what you have to find, total money spent by Rashid is equal to, you will add these two values. Okay, so same in similar way how we did in this sum, same way you will write both these values in columns. Already they are like, so just you will write digit under digit and decimal under decimal. Okay, so let's move to next sum. Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10 and 50 paise and her father gave her rupees 15 and 80 paise. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. Okay, so first statement is money given by Radhika's mother, then money given by Radhika's father, then total money given to Radhika by the parents is equal to, now we are finding total, it means we will add these two values. Okay, again by writing in columns digit under digit and decimal under decimal. Both these values are like, already like, here also two places and here also two places. Okay, now move to next. Next is Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. Okay, so first cloth bought for shirt, that is 3 meter 20 centimeter. How you can convert it into bigger unit? 3 decimal 20 meters, 3.20 meters. This way we convert it into bigger unit. Okay, means we write this in decimal form. So then cloth bought for trouser 2 decimal 05 meter. This is 2 decimal 05 meter. So it is 5 only, but we will write 05 because 5 centimeter, it means 05. If we write 50, it will become 50. So if this is given in units, we never put 0 on this side. Like it is given 2 meter 5 centimeter, so we always write like this, not like this. Why? Because in this way it will become 50 centimeter, but R is 5 centimeter. If simply they are given in decimal, we always put 0. I know I told you we put 0 on this side to make them like. But if values are given in units, then bachche we write like this, because there are only 5 centimeter. If we write like this 50, it will become 50 centimeter. Okay, clear? So after converting it into decimals, we will add total length of cloth bought by her. Okay, so next example, Naresh walked 2 kilometer 35 centimeter in the morning and 1 kilometer 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? So very simple, distance covered in the morning, distance covered in the evening. So total distance covered by him. Okay, again these two values will be converting into decimals. Now first value will become 2 decimal 2 decimal, this is 35, so 0.35. Again I am telling you, because these are units, we will not write 350, we will write 0.35, because if we write 350 it will become 350 meters, but we are given only 35. Next is 1 kilometer 7 meter, so we will write like this, and you will add these two values. So be careful, when it is given in simple decimals, we always put zeros on this side to make them like. Okay, but if it is given in units and we are converting it into decimals, we always put zeros on this side so that their value should not change. Clear? Now there are 2 more sums on next page. These are also of addition. So Sunita travelled 15 kilometer 268 meters by bus, then 7 kilometers 7 meter by car, and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her school. How far is her school from her residence? Okay, first distance traveled by bus, this one, distance traveled by car, this one, and distance traveled by foot, this one. First you will convert all these 3 values in decimals. Okay, like if first is 15 decimal 268, then 7 meter, so 7 meter is, it means, then only meters, no kilometer, so these are 500. So we will add all these 3 values. Okay, so next example, Ravi purchased 5 kg 400 gram rice and 2 kg 20 gram sugar and 10 kg 850 gram flour. Find the total weight of his purchase. So weight of rice is given, weight of sugar is given, it is 2.020. Okay, I am telling you, it is 5 decimal 400, it is given, but it will be 2 decimal 020, because it is not like here only 2 places, but we need 3 places. So 020 plus 10 decimal 850. So you will add all these 3 weights, you will find the total weight he purchases. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. Thank you, students.